Welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's a place where we grow, cook, and share. But today we're not cooking and we're not planting either. We are revealing our chayotes for this year. It's a chayote reveal, a chayote update, here at Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. Warm welcome and welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. This is the very first chayote update this year. I didn't shoot these preservation of these chayotes, but these are the harvest from last year. Very precious harvest because they serve as our seedlings, not seedlings, but our plants this year. Look, they are carefully and tenderly wrapped in newspaper, and I kept them in the coolest area of the house. In fact, it's in the storeroom. It's outside. It's well protected, where the temperature is controlled. It does not freeze there. That's what we want to avoid. It's not warm either. Confined in a temperature just around 4 to 10 degrees, and that temperature allowed them to just sleep. These were harvested in October. It is now early February. And it's the reveal. Welcome to this chayote reveal, our first update this year. Let's see how they are doing. Look, this is what we want to attain. Limit the growth. We don't want them to sprout very early because it's still very early to plant them outside. So we delayed them. Keep them in what I call suspended animation. They were just sleeping. The newspaper preserves the moisture. We don't want them to dry either. So one by one, I'm going to... Oh, by the way, what did I do? I got him out from the cold and will bring them now in the room to start growing a bit. And then later on, what I want to say is let's expose them to ambient temperature so that they can start growing. Look at this. Look at that. So that they can start growing. And when the sprouts are this high, or when we see traces of roots developing, I would put them in, or I would pot them with ground as growing media. So let's reveal this one by one. Very nice. One by one. This is the challenge of growing in cold areas. We are under the mercy of the weather. We cannot simply plant them when we decide. We have to wait. Oh, we even have to cooperate with the weather. We even have to be creative. That's the reason why I started them. Oh, this last one was, I didn't see much growth. So presenting our chayotes this year, we have, how many? We have 7. So join me again next time around March, when we plant this in pots, in ground. Did I say March? Yeah, that's 1 month from now. See you!